Hey guys, I want to show you some of the tools I use in my bar garden. This is multifunctional tool. So this is multifunctional, useful outdoor garden, ergonomic, all steel, convenient tool. So I use this in my bar garden. So I thought to show you some of the tools I use in my bar garden. And also I have this fork. I use this fork in my bar garden to dig some stuff, dig some hole and do some work with this one. This is another tool that I use. This one is hand trowel, and you can use this to open up to do some work in my bar garden. This equipment is very handy if you are doing some gardening work. So these are the tools that I use in my bar garden, and they are very solid, very handy. Use it to do some digging, and if you want to dig some soil and stuff like that, then if you want to use this to scoop soil, when I did my shade, I also used this to scoop soil out from the garden. So these are the tools that I use to do some gardening work, and they are highly recommended. Very useful tools to have at home. Thank you.